Hi guys, we are super excited because we finally get the app approved on the Apple Store. For Android, we will need to wait a bit longer because they are pretty slow. But the app is the same, so everything is gonna be okay. So right now, if you have an iPhone, we're gonna show you step by step, Mats is gonna do it, how to correctly install the app, okay? Mats.
Right, perfect. So the thing you see on the screen is the email that I got when I purchased my lifetime subscription. And here you see on where it says step 1, install the latest app. There's a link, there's a button that says download on the App Store. And on the new emails you should have get the same. There will also see, you will also see a Android download button. Okay, so in this case I'm going to tap this download button where it says download on the App Store. This is going to open the App Store. Here you see next to the icon you see a cloud icon. You see something different because you see maybe a get button.
Yes,
Is that
get
button?
Yeah.
I see a cloud because I have already downloaded the app before. So now I have to tap that again. And this will download the app. And I can just open from here. And here you have the option to sign up or log in. At this moment, we need to sign up, right? Because that's the first time that I'm using the app. So here you have on the sign up, I hit on the sign up button, and on this screen you have the option to sign up with your Apple account if you are on an iPhone, or sign up with Google if you prefer to use Google accounts. And there's also the third button where it says sign up with email. So the thing is, you choose what do you prefer, right? But the only caveat is that you want to use the same email you used to pay for the app, right? So if that email is from is an Apple account, you can use the first button. If that's some Google account, some Gmail email, you would prefer the sign up with Google. And the last option, if you don't like to use those sign up options, you can go with the sign up with email, basically, and then you are going to create a username, provide your email and a password. But just remember, the email address has to be the same email you used while you purchased the Floga subscription. I mean the Floga lifetime plan. Okay, so which option should we?
As you want.
Yeah, in my case, I would rather use the Apple account because it has the email, the personal email that I used to buy my lifetime deal.
Yeah.
Yes, and then I will press the first button, the sign up with Apple. And then I will just confirm that I want to sign up. And you should see the next step, which is the onboarding. And from now,
you will have to answer the question very well. And you should go back to redeem the app, right?
No, in this case, because I used the same email that I purchased, the same email that I used to purchase the lifetime deal, we already detect that there's a plan linked to that email address.
Okay, so it's gonna work without clicking the redeem button.
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, if you
don't use the same email, you can still go back to the email you got, and there you see a redeem now button.
Yeah.
So basically, if you find some issue with your email, you don't remember exactly which email you used to purchase the lifetime deal, you can, after you download, you can press the redeem now.
I better to use the same email.
Yeah,
it's more.
It's just
safe.
the easier.
Easiest
The
way.
easier option is to use the same email. You don't have to deal with the redemption process. Okay. And what is different? If I use a different email, you're gonna see an option to buy from the app the lifetime deal, or to click on the redeem button that I showed you on the email. It's very simple. It's guided. It's a guided process. You should not have issues with that.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, that's it.
And then you need to complete the survey because we have
Yes.
some important question for future features we're gonna develop. So if you reply well, we're gonna be super happy. That's it for now. For Android, is it the same process?
Yes, it will
Same
be
process.
exactly the same.
But if you have any doubt, please feel free to write us. Seeing the amount of emails we received yesterday, try a couple of times and then write us if it really doesn't work, but it should be working pretty well.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much and enjoy the app. Ciao.
Yes, ciao.